So I just want to show you guys some different AI bots and interfaces and how you can build them. So this is the interface what goes to Flowise. It's a cool framework. You can see the different options you have here, what you can do. They have Auto GPT. This is an extremely cool model, and you can analyze a CVS file and make plugins for ChatGPT and so on. And here you are using Claude, large language model. There's a lot of stuff you can do here, and if you click on that, you need to if you're using direct internet access, what goes to SERP API, that means it is interacting with the search engines like Google and Bing and so on. For these you need your API key, which you can get on OpenAI. So let's check it out. There's a lot of options here. Wow, it's really big, a big one. And you can get some add-ons here which you can interact, and you can look on your own credential down here. Yeah, but that is it for now. That is for now. We will look at it later and also build some more stuff on top of it. Thanks for now.